door of opportunity. Make sure to walk through while it's still open. To those who have learned how to read the economic trends, it's been painfully obvious for quite some time that significant inflation is on the horizon. Platinum Properties Investor Network has long supported a strategy of fighting inflation through rental real estate that is financed with fixed-rate debt. The advantage of this strategy is that the debt payments will stay the same throughout the inflationary period as prices are pushed higher. While this is happening, the rents paid by tenants will be consistently increasing as the scourge of inflation is eroding the value of the dollars that are being used to repay the mortgage. All of the people who have read Jason's blogs or listened to his Creating Wealth show for a significant period of time are well acquainted with this phenomenon. The piece that is now important to internalize is the fact that this door of opportunity will close at some point in the near future. The reason for this is because of the chain reaction that the inevitable inflation will unleash. Once the impact of inflation begins to unfold, it will result in more investors selling bonds to avoid seeing their wealth destroyed. This will place upward pressure on bond yields as investors will no longer be willing to accept rock-bottom interest rates for government treasuries. As the treasury yields are pushed up higher and higher, there will be a ripple effect to mortgages that are indexed to these treasury notes. This increase in mortgage interest will increase the effective price of real estate, since the same monthly payment will not buy as much house as in previous years. As this stall in purchasing power ripples through the market, it will place downward pressure on prices and appreciation. At this point, buying into the real estate market will become a much more tenuous matter, since interest rates will be higher, creating increased mortgage payments and lower cash flow to owners. Now, during this time, the investors who locked down low fixed-rate mortgages will be watching their profits expand while their costs stay flat. The bottom line is that this tremendous opportunity will not persist forever. Once the rocks begin to fall, it's likely that the avalanche will quickly follow. Prudent investors should seek to be ahead of the masses and lock down their investments while rates are still low, prices are still depressed, and opportunities are still plentiful.
Financial self-defense in uncertain times. Welcome to the Platinum Properties Investor Network, the source for innovative, forward-thinking investment property strategies and advice. Founder Jason Hartman spent 2 decades developing the complete solution for real estate investors. Jason appears regularly on television and radio, at speaking engagements, seminars, and with his ultra-hot Creating Wealth podcast. The United States is made up of over 380 unique market areas. This makes it perhaps the most diverse property market on the planet. Yet the news media continues to refer to the U.S. real estate market as a single entity that moves through stronger or weaker cycles. We realize that this phenomenon is the result of 30-second TV time slots that generate systematic oversimplification. However, real estate cannot be described that simply. There is no such thing as a United States real estate market. Every single local market represents unique risks and opportunities. Contact an investment counselor today, 714-820-4200, or go to www.jasonhartman.com.